Fourth bit first problem, sin pi by 4 plus theta into sin pi by 4 minus theta equals to 1 by 2 cos 2 theta. So what is the value of pi by 4? So 180 by 4, it is equals to 45 degrees. So indirectly sin 45 degrees plus theta into sin 45 degrees minus theta. So now here apply the sin a plus b formula and sin a minus b formula. So sin a plus b is sin 45 into cos theta plus cos 45 into sin theta. So this is sin a plus b formula. Next sin a minus b. So sin 45 into cos theta minus cos 45 into sin theta. So this is the LHS. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos theta. Cos 45 also same 1 by root 2 into sin theta into sin 45 1 by root 2 cos theta minus cos 45 1 by root 2 into sin theta. So from these you can take 1 by root 2 common. So cos theta plus sin theta into, here also same 1 by root 2 common, cos theta minus sin theta. 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 will becomes 1 by root 2 whole square. So then it is equals to 1 by 2. Cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta. So a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So cos square theta minus sin square theta. So it is equals to 1 by 2. It is exactly equals to cos 2 theta. So then RHS. So hence prove. Second problem, cos pi by 4 plus theta into cos pi by 4 minus theta equals to 1 by 2 cos 2 theta. So here the pi by 4 value is pi value 180 by 4, it is equals to 45 degrees. So then indirectly the LHS will becomes cos 45 plus theta into cos 45 minus theta. So here apply the cos a plus b and here cos a minus b formula. Cos a plus b formula, cos 45 cos theta minus sin 45 sin theta into, here cos a minus b formula, cos 45 into cos theta plus sin 45 into sin theta. Now cos 45 value 1 by root 2 into cos theta minus sin 45 value 1 by root 2 into sin theta. Next here also 1 by root 2 into cos theta plus, now take the 1 by root 2 from this. So 1 by root 2 common. So cos theta minus sin theta into, here also we can take 1 by root 2 common, 1 by root 2 into cos theta plus sin theta. Now 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 whole square. So its answer is 1 by 2. Cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta, that means a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So 1 by 2 into a square minus b square is exactly equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta equals to cos 2 theta. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. Fifth bit first problem, tan pi by 4 plus theta minus tan pi by 4 minus theta equals to 2 tan 2 theta. So here pi by 4 means pi value 180 by 4. So it is equals to 45 degrees. So indirectly in the LHS, tan 45 plus theta minus tan 45 minus theta. So here tan a plus b, next here tan a minus b formula. So tan 45 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan 45 into tan theta. So next minus, here check the bracket, tan 45 minus theta. So tan 45 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan 45 into tan theta. So then it is equals to tan 45 value 1. So 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus, here also tan 45 1 into tan theta is tan theta minus same 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. So now the LCM is 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta is a LCM. So then here the first term will become 1 plus tan theta whole square minus 1 minus tan theta whole square. So 1 plus tan theta whole square means 1 square plus tan square theta plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into tan theta. Next to minus same a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab divided by, observe the denominator, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. So 1 square is 1 tan square theta plus 2 into 1 into tan theta is 2 tan theta minus, here remove the bracket, minus 1. So minus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta divided by 1 square is 1 minus tan square theta. Now it is equals to, here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus tan square theta minus tan square theta cancel, 2 tan theta plus 2 tan theta, 4 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Here 4 tan theta can write as a 2 into 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So it is equals to 2 into 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is equals to tan 2 theta. So it is RHS, so hence proved. Fifth question, second problem, cot pi by 4 plus a plus cot pi by 4 minus a equals to 2 cot square a plus 1 divided by cot square a minus 1. So we know very well pi by 4 value is 180 by 4, it is equals to 45 degrees. So indirectly in the LHS we can write cot 45 plus a plus cot 45 minus a. So here apply the cot a plus b formula. So cot a plus b equals to cot a into cot b minus 1 divided by cot a plus cot b. So use this formula. So then cot 45 into cot a minus 1 divided by cot 45 plus cot a plus, now cot a minus b formula. So cot a minus b equals to cot a into cot b plus 1 divided by cot b minus cot a. So use this formula. So cot 45 into cot a plus 1 divided by cot b. Cot b means b plus what, a. So cot a minus cot 45 degrees. Cot 45 degrees value we know very well, it is equals to 1. So then first fraction will become 1 into cot a is cot a. So cot a minus 1 divided by 1 plus cot a. Next here also same, 1 into cot a is cot a plus 1 divided by cot a minus 1. So it is equals to, the LCM is cot a plus 1 into cot A minus 1, because here we can interchange the terms. So then the first term will become cot A minus 1 whole square plus cot A plus 1 whole square. Now it is equals to, here A minus B whole square formula, A square plus B square minus 2AB. Next plus, here A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB divided by, here A plus B into A minus B formula, so that is A square minus B square. So now its simplification is, see here cot square A 2 cot square A plus 1 square 1, here 1 square 1, total answer 2. Here minus 2 cot A into 1 plus 2 cot A into 1 divided by, here cot square A minus 1 square. 1 square value how much? 1. So then we can take the 2 common from the numerator. 2 bracket of cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A minus 1. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. Fifth bit, third problem, cos 2a divided by 1 minus sin 2a equals to cot 45 degrees minus a. So in the LHS cos 2a formula, 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 minus sin 2a, that is 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. So it is equals to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a by, here 1 plus tan square a minus 2 tan a divided by 1 plus, so here I am writing 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a divided by, now we can cancel the both denominators, so it is equals to 1 minus tan square a divided by, see observe carefully, this 1 I am writing as a 1 square plus tan square a minus 2 tan a I am writing as a 2 tan a into 1. Then it is equals to 1 minus tan square a divided by, here a square plus b square minus 2ab equals to a minus b whole square. And here 1 also can write as a 1 square. So now what I am doing, here a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b divided by 1 minus tan a whole square. Here square 1 minus tan a cancel, so 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. But our required answer is in the cot trigonometric ratios. So that is why 1 plus tan a can write as a 1 by cot a divided by 1 minus, same here 1 by cot a. So it is equals to, take the LCM, cot a, here cot a plus 1 divided by, here cot a minus 1 divided by cot a. Here both denominators are cancelled. So cot a plus 1 divided by cot a minus 1. Now what I am doing, cot a beside we can write 1 into, here also 1 into, so at the place of 1 we can write cot 45 degrees na? Because cot 45 value 1, so cot 45 into cot a plus 1 divided by cot 45 into cot a, sorry here In the denominator 1 is not required. Yeah, so here 1 can write as a cot 45 into cot A plus 1 divided by cot A, and this 1 can write as a cot 45 degrees. See, now it is exactly in the form of cot A cot B plus 1 divided by cot B minus cot A. So then it is equals to cot 45 minus A. So RHS, so hence proved. Sixth bit first problem, sin theta plus sin 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta equals to tan theta. So in the LHS, sin theta plus sin 2 theta formula, 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta formula, 2 cos square theta minus 1. So now here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. From numerator we can take the sin theta common. So 1 plus 2 cos theta divided by, here from this we can take the cos theta common. So 1 plus 2 cos theta. Now 1 plus 2 cos theta, 1 plus 2 cos theta cancel. So it is equals to sin theta by cos theta. So it is equals to tan theta. So RHS. Sixth bit second problem, cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta equals to 2 tan 2 theta. So very simple, in the LHS let's take the LCM, cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta. So then the first numerator will becomes cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus cos theta minus sin theta whole square is the second numerator. So here a plus b whole square formula, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta into sin theta minus here cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 cos theta into sin theta divided by here a plus minus b into a plus b. So it is equals to a square minus b square. And here cos square theta plus sin square theta, it is a one of the identity. So its answer is 1. So 1 plus 2 cos theta into sin theta. Next here minus, same here also identity, 1 minus 2 cos theta into sin theta divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta is exactly equals to cos 2 theta. Now it is equals to 1 plus 2 cos theta into sin theta. Now remove the bracket, minus 1 plus 2 cos theta into sin theta divided by cos 2 theta. Now here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, and 2 cos theta sin theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta is 4 cos theta sin theta divided by cos 2 theta. So it is equals to 2 into here 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by cos 2 theta. So 2 into 2 sin theta into cos theta is sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. So it is equals to 2 into tan 2 theta. Seventh bit, here a question, if sin theta equals to sin 3 theta by 1 plus 2 cos theta, then find the value of sin 15 degrees. So very simple, substitute theta equals to 15 degrees, then sin theta will become sin 15, Sine 3 theta will become sine 3 into 15 divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. So 2 into 15. So it is equals to sine 3 into 15 is 45 degrees by 1 plus 2 into cos 2 into 15 is 30 degrees. So sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 plus 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2. Here 2 cancel, 1 by root 2 divided by 1 plus root 3. So it is equals to 1 by root 2 into 1 plus root 3. So now what I am doing, 1 by root 2 into 1 plus root 3 can write as a root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. Now divide and multiply with root 3 minus 1. Then it is equals to root 3 minus 1 divided by root 2 into here a plus b into a minus b formula, root 3 whole square minus 1 square. So it is equals to root 3 minus 1 divided by root 2 into root 3 square 3, 1 square 1. So root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2 is our required answer. So in the first bit B question, prove that sin theta equals to sin 3 theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta and then find sin 15 degrees. So here I am taking the RHS. So in the RHS sin 3 theta formula, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta divided by 1 plus 2 into cos 2 theta. There are 3 formulas for cos 2 theta, but here I am using 1 minus 2 sin square theta. In the numerator take the sin theta common, so then 3 minus 4 sin square theta divided by 1 plus 2 multiply inside 2 minus 4 sin square theta. So sin theta bracket of 3 minus 4 sin square theta divided by 1 plus 2, 3 minus 4 sin square theta. Here numerator 3 minus 4 sin square theta and denominator both are cancelled, so then it is equals to sin theta. So what it is, LHS. Now is asking sin 15 degrees. So just substitute theta equals to 15 degrees in the given condition. So sin 15 equals to sin 3 theta. So 3 into 15 is 45 by 1 plus 2 into cos 2 theta. 2 into 15 is 30 degrees. So 1 by root 2 divided by 1 plus 2 into cos 30 degrees is root 3 divided by 2. So here 2 cancel, then 1 by root 2 divided by 1 plus root 3. So it is equals to 1 by root 2 into 1 plus root 3. Now multiply with root 3 minus 1, divide with root 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1, root 2 into, here we can apply the a minus b into a plus b. So root 3 square minus 1 square. So its simplification is root 3 minus 1 to root 2. Seventh bit second problem, find the value of 3 tan 10 degrees minus tan cube 10 degrees divided by 1 minus 3 tan square 10 degrees. So it is exactly in the form of 3 tan A minus tan cube A divided by 1 minus 3 tan square A. So it is equals to tan 3A. So here tan 3 into the value of A is 10. So then tan 30, it is equals to tan 30, answer is 1 by root 3. Seventh bit third problem, find the value of 4 cos cube 10 degrees minus 3 cos 10 degrees. So here it is exactly in the form of 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So it is equals to cos 3a. So cos 3 into a value 10. So cos 3 into 10 is 30. So it is equals to root 3 by 2.